So question 6. There are 130 adults at a language school. They study French, Spanish or German, just one of them. 96 of the adults are women. 12 of the women study French. 73 of the adults study Spanish. 55 of the women study Spanish and 9 of the men study German. Now, a bit of a tricky question this, because it hasn't been put in this way before, but this is a two-way table. So as long as you organise it into a two-way table, then you'll get your answer. So we're going to categorise the adults as either male or female. Now, they only study one language, so they study either French, Spanish or German. Okay, and then we will have some totals as well. We may or may not need that. Probably will. So I'll extend the columns. So let's start putting the information in. So 96 of the adults are women. So 96 of the adults are women. So that's the women's total there, 96. 12 of the women study French. So 12 women studying French. 73 of the adults study Spanish. So just sort of show you there's a Spanish male, Spanish female, so altogether there's 73 studying Spanish. 55 of the women study Spanish, so let's put that in, 55 women studying Spanish, and 9 of the men study German. So here's your men, and there's your German, so the 9 goes there. And now really the rest has to be done by subtraction. So we'll start off, we might want to use a calculator to do this, but if we do 96, take away 55 and 12, 55 and 12 is 67, 96 take 67 is 29. Again, you can check that on your calculator. Next simple one to do is 9 and 29 gives me 38, so 38 people studying German. Now at this point it looks like I can't move anywhere, but I've remembered that there were 130 adults at the language school. So if I put the 130 in, then I can go a bit further now. So if I've got my 130 all together, and I know 38 are studying German and 73 are studying Spanish, 73 and 38 is 111. 111 away from 130 gives me 119. So that's 130, subtract 38, subtract 73. Now, an easy subtraction, 119, subtract 12. And this is really going to give me the answer I want. How many of the adults study French? 119 subtract 12 is 107. So I don't need to go any further because I've got the answer. There's 107 adults study French. And that's your answer.